Okay guys, so the rain has canceled out both of my sets of plans. As you may be able to hear or see in the distance, some rain's coming in. So I was gonna put my kayak on this lake. There you go. So I was gonna put the kayak on the lake and do some magnet fishing off my boat. Well, it got dark. The rain came in, so I said, I'll grab the metal detector and hit the park anyway, because there's a park here where this lake is. And now it's starting to rain and thunder. So we're gonna have to pack in plan B. So, yeah, it's raining nice. So, guess I wait for the rain now. Keep you guys updated. Figured I'd share this with you guys. So here's the rain storm that's chased me off. It's pretty bad, it's pretty dark, but there's all these people over here. As you can see, there's like tents. They're doing some kind of medieval festival, but I think they're about to get medieval rained out. A good amount of tents over there. I don't know what else they're doing back there, but the news crew is here. They're gonna be on the news. Channel 10, Fox. But they're about to get stormed out bad. I mean, it's dark clouds. So I'm heading home. I'm not getting caught in this rain. Well, what an uneventful day. So, oh.